Stop guessing with your Amazon ads and start scaling. Most sellers waste thousands because they don't know which keywords to target. Today, I'm showing you how to use AI to build a killer keyword library and set up sponsored products campaigns that actually convert. Hey, this video is all about AI-powered advertising for new products. You'll learn how to structure your ad framework, use AI to build comprehensive keyword lists, and set up campaigns that drive traffic and conversions. Let's dive in. Your ad structure has 3 levels. At the top, portfolios group all campaigns for one product line, like Straw Hat. Under that, campaigns represent different targeting strategies: auto, manual 1 through 5. Under campaigns, ad groups handle specific targeting: auto targeting, core keywords, brand/competitor, product ASINs, category targeting, and events. 4 key principles: 1 portfolio per parent ASIN for easy management. Each ASIN needs at least 1 auto plus 1 manual campaign. Create new campaigns when you add new bid strategies or keywords, and use temporary campaigns for events with separate budgets. Should you use auto or manual? The answer is both, always. Auto-targeting casts a wide net. It relies heavily on your listing quality, doesn't need keyword research, has low precision, but high real-time learning. It discovers opportunities you'd never find manually. Manual targeting is precise control. It requires keyword to listing relevance, needs strong keyword research, but delivers high precision with no auto-learning. You optimize it yourself. These complement each other. Auto finds new opportunities, manual scales what works. Never choose just one. Here's the 3-step AI process for building your keyword library. Step 1. Extract keywords from 2 perspectives. SellerView uses Product Opportunity Explorer to pull top 100 plus competitor titles with click and review data. BuyerView uses ABA search term reports for search frequency rankings and ABA scores. Step 2. Assemble keywords. AI translates, classifies, and combines feature words into 2 to 5 word phrases. Step 3. Verify keywords. Test on Amazon. If 75% or more of results match your product type, it's a valid keyword. AI organizes keywords into 3 categories. Product words describe what the product is: hat, straw hat, Panama hat. Brand words cover your brand plus competitor brands and ASINs. Modifier words are the magic. These describe attributes: variants like color and size, material like straw or cotton, style like wide brim or foldable, function like UPF or sun protection, audience like women or men, and scene like beach or summer. Here's the key formula: customer search terms equal modifier plus product word. Example: women summer beach straw hat. Feed AI your top 50 feature words, sorted by click volume, review count, and ABA score. It generates combinations: 2-word like sun hat, 3-word like women's straw hat, 4-word like beach UPF protection hat, 5-word like sun wide straw summer hat, minimum 30 combinations. Then verify each one. Search it on Amazon. If 75% or more of results match your product type, keep it. If results show irrelevant products like kids' hats when you sell women's, delete it. Product targeting means showing your ad on competitor listings. 3 criteria for success. Similar use case: the products serve the same customer need. You have advantages: lower price, better rating, more reviews. And the target has traffic: Amazon Choice Badge or high click volume. How to find targets: search your main keyword, filter for weak competitors, maybe discount 29% or higher with rating 4+. Collect the top traffic ASINs. You can also target entire categories like women's sun hat for broader reach. Here's what your full setup looks like: portfolio, straw hat, campaigns, auto plus 5 manuals, ad groups under each. Auto campaign has auto targeting. Manual 1 targets core keywords like women's straw hats, summer straw hats, beach straw hats. Manual 2 targets brand and competitor keywords. Manual 3 targets specific product ASINs. Manual 4 targets categories. Manual 5 handles events and holidays with separate budgets. Key settings that drive conversions. Targeting strategy. Auto groups include close match, loose match, substitutes, and complements. Manual targets keywords or products/categories. Match types: broad for wide reach, phrase for balance, exact for highest conversion. Bidding strategy. Dynamic up and down lets Amazon adjust both ways. Dynamic down only is safer. Fixed gives you full control. Don't forget negative targeting. Block irrelevant keywords and competing ASINs. And use clear naming like product_type_target for easy management. AI-powered keyword research plus structured campaigns equals advertising that actually works. If this helped you understand sponsored products better, hit that like button and subscribe for more Amazon seller strategies. What's your biggest PPC challenge? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear from you. See you in the next one.